Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on More to open the menu. Scroll down through it, find the option Garmin Devices, tap on it, and here you will see Fenix 8 on the list of the devices. Select it, then tap on the More options in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. It should remove the watch after a couple of seconds. But if it's struggling to remove it, for some reason it does for me, we can do it another way. We can go back to the devices, to the devices list, press and hold on it, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. And this time it worked. Now we can tap on Settings. It will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings basically. You need to find the Fenix 8 on the list, tap on the Settings or Info icon next to it. Tap on Unpair or Forget, and then the device will disappear. And once it does, we can close the app and the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.